Good morning, sixth grade students. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. This is Mr. Santiago, science teacher. All right, I'm going to go over today's assignments, and I'm going to make this very simple, less less confusing than Monday. We are having some technical difficulties with some documents, so this should be a lot easier. All right, I have everything uploaded into Google Classroom. Okay, part one. You're going to watch this video. It's by Post Malone and Sway Lee. It's a song called Sunflower. After you watch that video, you're going to complete this written response. It's a Google Doc. Go ahead and type in your responses, submit that to your teachers. Part one, we're all done. Part two. Part two, you're going to first watch a food webs video. It's on Study Jam. It's about 4 minutes long. It's going to explain to you our target, which is learning about food webs and food chains. So you're going to watch that video. After you watch that video, go ahead and complete the food web versus food chain Venn diagram. It's right here. It's a Google drawing. Okay? So food web video, food web versus food chain Venn diagram. You're going to compare and contrast a web and a chain. Go ahead and complete that Google drawing. All right, there's another piece to part two. It's an Ed puzzle. I know some of you are familiar with Ed puzzles. Go ahead and click on that. Watch that Ed puzzle. Submit the answers in the Ed puzzle. Okay? So there's part two. Here's our last piece. Part three. Part three is where you're going to design your own food web. I've given you an example, which is right here. You can click on this to see an example of a food web. Right next to the example, I left a blank Google drawing for you. Go ahead and create your own food web. That could be a terrestrial or an aquatic food web. Terrestrial meaning land, aquatic meaning water. So be thinking about ecosystems as you create those food webs. All right, so today, very simple. Shouldn't have any technical difficulties. All right. Wednesday, April 22nd, part one, part two, part three. All right. When you're done with those, go ahead and turn those in and you have a good Wednesday. Thank you.